Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video ay tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano maging eligible sa shopping affiliate program sa YouTube. So nabasa nyo dyan guys, you've unlocked new earning potential with the affiliate program. So scroll lang natin. It's time to get creative and share fresh takes on your favorite product. And just tag the products you feature and you may earn a competitive commission when people buy. So i-click lang natin yung get started. So ayan, check out the latest Shopee offers to plan your content, tag your short, videos, and live stream to earn from it. So, ayan guys, no? Kapag okay na guys, i-turn on lang po natin yung tag products, no? Click lang po natin yung YouTube Studio app. So, ayan. Makikita na dyan yung Shopee. Click lang po natin yan guys. So, pwede kayong kumita up to 20,000 bonuses sa YouTube shopping. Bago ko ituturo guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. So click natin yung shopping and may makikita kayo dyan estimated affiliate revenue, total sales from connected store. So click natin yung affiliate sellers and offer. This is a new way to earn money on YouTube. Kung tinatamad ka mag-live, pwede ka dito sa shopping. I-click natin yung get in on the action. So may makikita kayo dyan, offer ni YouTube and Shopee. So ayan, i-click natin yung July payday 30. Ayan guys, no? So, may makikita kayo dyan. Go to store. Click natin yan, guys. Get at 2 times or double your commission bonus for every product sold through YouTube shopping during the Payday 30 campaign period. A golden opportunity to double your earnings. Don't miss out. This is only on YouTube shopping. Kapag okay na, click natin yung go to store. So, basahin nyo po na maigi yan yung nakalagay dyan, guys, no? Only on YouTube. So, ayan na, guys. Yung next step guys is yung paano maging eligible or available ka doon sa shopping affiliate program. So ayan guys, pwede kang kumita up to 20,000 onboarding bonus. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo guys? Sundin nyo lang po yung ginawa ko. First, alaman muna natin kung ano ba yung YouTube shopping. A seamless way for YouTube creators to tag products in their videos to earn commission from YouTube and get additional incentive from Shopee. This is a Shopee and YouTube shopping collaboration program. So, pwede kang kumita up to 20,000 onboarding bonuses. Scroll lang po natin guys, no? So, ayan. Learn better with a live demo. Join us every Friday this July for 30-minute online workshop. Become a YouTube shopping affiliate. Tag your first products and start earning. Live help desk and chance to win 2,000 Shopee voucher. So, click nyo lang po lang yung join here kung gusto nyo pong sumali. Basta ay isa ka sa shopping affiliate program sa YouTube. So guys, ituturo ko na sa inyo kung paano ka maging eligible sa 20,000 onboarding bonus sa shopping affiliate program. So ayan, getting started. Step 1. Check if you meet the eligibility requirements. So your channel must be enrolled in the YouTube Partner Program. Ibig sabihin is you are monetized channel bago ka sumali dito or ma-invite. So your channel must have at least 10,000 subscriber pataas guys, 10,000 subscriber above. You must be a current resident of the Philippines and be able to provide proof of residency upon request. So, ayan guys, scroll lang po natin, no? So, kapag hindi ka 10k subscribers ay hindi ka pa eligible guys. So, ayan, your channel must not belong to a media network. Independent creators and business owners are eligible. In short guys, kailangan pong monetize kayo sa YouTube and kasali ka sa YouTube Partner Program and meron kang 10k subscribers and resident ka sa Philippines and sa ibang country na eligible dito sa program na ito guys. So, step 2, go to your Creator Studio page and on the left sidebar, select Earn and then navigate to the Shopping tab. So guys, i-turn on nyo muna yan. No, punta kayo sa youtubestudio.com sa desktop or dun sa laptop nyo. So, step 3, click the button that says turn on under the box titled Join Affiliate Program. Step 4, this pop-up will show, just click continue. So, ayan guys, nakikita nyo dyan sa pictures. So, sundin nyo lang po yan, no? Step 5, click on the checkbox at the bottom and proceed to click join program. So, i-click lang po natin yung proceed guys. And then, how to tag product. Step 1, for new uploads, tag products will be available in the normal upload flows. As a video element, be sure to add related products before publishing new videos. Ibig sabihin guys, kung ano yung nasa content nyo sa videos nyo, kailangan ang ilalagay nyo doon na tag products is nakalagay doon sa videos guys. Guys, kung eligible ka na dito sa requirements, i-click nyo lang po yung submit your form here para pwede kayong kumita up to 20,000 bonuses sa Shopee X YouTube Shopping Program Collaboration. So, ayan guys, basahin nyo natin yung nakalagay dyan, no? Thank you for your interest in joining the Shopee YouTube Shopping Program. To qualify for your 20,000 Shopee Pay incentive, please complete this form by submitting all the required proof of information. Number 1. You should be eligible to join the YouTube Shopping. Only eligible creators would qualify to earn 20,000 YouTube Shopping incentive. Check your eligibility here. Action required, you must tag at least 40 YouTube videos with Shopee products. Click lang po natin yung next, then fill upan nyo po yung form guys, full name, email address, YouTube channel link, and YouTube channel ID. If tapos nyo na ang fill upan guys, i-click nyo lang po yung next, and then may nakalagay dyan is proof of execution YouTube. Confirm that you've tagged at least 40 YouTube videos with Shopee product. So click natin yung yes. Then, yan, may nakalagay dyan is YouTube tagging submission instruction. Please combine all the 40 screenshots into a single PDF file. So, guys, kailangan nyo munang ilagay nyo sa PDF yung mga screenshot nyo bago kayo mag-apply dito, no? Para dire-diretso na. So, ayan, nilagay ko na yung akin, no? So, ayan, if not, how many YouTube videos have you tagged? So, kapag hindi pa kasi complete yung natag mong 40 YouTube videos, i-click mo lang yan doon sa fill upan nyo lang yan. So, playlist or list of tag video URLs. So, i-type nyo lang po dyan guys, or i-copy and paste nyo lang po yung playlist na kung saan nilagay nyo doon yung 40 na videos na nakatag yung Shopee products. Kapag okay na po ang lahat guys, i-click lang po natin yung next para doon sa next step. Auto tagging features. What is auto tagging? Auto tagging is a feature on YouTube Shopping wherein the YouTube algorithm automatically tag your products. So have you enabled your auto tag to your YouTube channel? So yes, ilagay lang po natin dito guys yung PDF na screenshot na na-enable ba natin yung auto tagging, no? So, kapag okay na po guys, yan, nakalagay po dyan, no? Go to YouTube Studio and click settings on the left side. So, makikita nyo na doon yung auto tagging. So, i-turn on nyo lang po yun guys. Kapag okay na po, i-click natin yung next. So, ayan. Gayahan nyo lang po yung ginawa ko, guys. May mababasa kayo dyan. Shopee Affiliate Information. Ayun, Shopee Affiliate. Click lang po natin yung next. So, may ilalagay lang po natin dyan yung fill upan nyo lang po yung mga information na nakalagay dyan. So, please provide your Shopee Affiliate information so we can track your participation and process your incentives. Sa Shopee Affiliate ID, ilagay lang po natin dyan. And then, makikita nyo dyan yan doon sa Shopee app guys, no? Yung Shopee Affiliate ID, Shopee Affiliate email address, at yung Shopee Affiliate name. I-click lang po natin guys yung submit. So, may nakalagay dyan is, I confirm that all the information and proofs submitted are accurate and I understand that 20,000 incentives will be processed within 120 days upon validation. So, guys, kapag okay na po, i-submit nyo lang po yung form. Dapat tama yung nalagay nyo dyan guys na bago kayo mag-submit. So, ayan na guys, nakalagay dyan. So, nag-email sa akin si Shopee. Action needed, missing product tagging. Hi, thank you for your entry. Upon review, we noticed that product tagging is missing. So, nireplyan ko si Shopee guys. Nilagay ko doon yung mga videos ko na missing, no? Yung nakatag na product. So, ayan, nakalagay dyan, guys. It's good news, your Shopee affiliate registration has been approved. Before we can mark your submission as complete, we kindly ask you to send a screenshot showing that auto-tagging is enabled on your account. Please refer to the sample below. So, guys, okay na nun. Na-replyan ko na din sa Shopee. So, ito yung sinabi ni Shopee, guys. Hi, we'll reach out to the PIC regarding the payment and tax details, and it appears that you may have missed your email. According to her, your payment information has been approved but the tax details were rejected. The reasons given is the address does not match the present ID. So, ayan, ang sinabi niya dyan is, "Hi creator, hope you are doing well. This is a follow-up regarding your 20,000 incentive for participating in the Shopee and YouTube campaign. As of now, it looks like your payment and tax information in the Shopee affiliate dashboard is either not yet submitted or is still pending revisions and or corrections. To avoid delays in receiving your incentive, please make sure your payment and tax details are completed and accurate no later than Friday, July 18, 2025. Important, submission or correction made after July 18 will no longer be eligible for the 20,000 incentives. We highly encourage you to comply as soon as possible to avoid delays in payment processing. So, yesterday, ito yung sabi ni Shopee guys. Hi, as per our check with the internal team, your payment information has been approved. However, your tax information was rejected. So, inayos ko muna guys yung tax information ko, no? Yung about doon sa address ko kasi yun daw yung problem is mali or unmatched daw kasi yung address ko, no? So, ayan, we're happy to confirm that your payment and tax information has been approved. Yay! So, congratulations. We'll get back to you once your incentives has been processed or when everything has been completed. Wait na lang natin na ma-receive guys yung 20,000 incentives sa YouTube and Shopee collaboration programs. So, nag-apply ako ng July 8 and na-approve ngayon July 16, which is 8 days bago ako na-approve na. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo guys habang may offer pa si YouTube and Shopee for collaboration is i-go nyo na po, no? So, don't miss out this 20,000 onboarding bonuses on YouTube shopping only. Bye everyone!